Hi friends, in this session we'll be covering the concepts of finding cost price, selling price, profit person and loss person of grade 8's 8th chapter comparing quantities. Let's begin. A girl said, "For the school fair I am going to put a stall of lucky dips. I will charge rupees 10 for one lucky dip, but I will buy items which are worth rupees 5. So her friend says she is making a profit of 100%. But she replies, "No, I will spend rupees 3 on paper to wrap the gift and tape. So my expenditure is rupees 8. She said she will buy items which are worth rupees 5, and again she has expenditure worth rupees 3. So her total expenditure is 5 plus 3, that is 8. This gives her a profit of rupees 2. She will sell each lucky dip for rupees 10. Her expenditure is rupees 8. So the profit she gets is rupees 2. 2 is nothing but 25% of what? Of 100. 2 by 8 of 100 is 25%. Now when we buy an article, some additional expenses are added onto the article before buying or selling it. For example, when you buy a furniture, the furniture has to be transported from the shop to your house. So you will have to pay transportation charges. The extra charges are known as overhead charges. These expenses are added to the cost price. These may include expenses like the amount spent on repairings, labor charges, and transportation. Let's consider a few examples. Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for rupees 2,500 and then spent rupees 500 on its repairs and sold it for rupees 3,300. Find his loss or gain percent. Now, Sohan bought the refrigerator for rupees 2,500. The repairing charges is rupees 500. In the previous slide we saw all the overhead charges are added to the cost price. So the cost price of the second-hand refrigerator includes the overhead or the repairing charges. That is the cost price of the refrigerator 2,500 plus the repairing charges, that is 500, a total of rupees 3,000. Overhead expenses are to be added to the CP, that is the cost price. Now sale price. The cost at which Sohan sells the refrigerator is the sale price, rupees 3,300. Now here we can see the sale price or the price at which Sohan sells the refrigerator is more than that of his own expenditure. The expense of buying the refrigerator and repairing it, a total of 3,000. Since the sale price is more than the cost price, Sohan has made a profit. Profit is nothing but sale price minus cost price, that is 3,300 minus 3,000, which is equal to 300. Now we have to find the loss or gain percent. There's a gain of rupees 300, so we have to find the gain percent. So the gain percent is gain amount by cost price into 100%. The gain amount or the profit is 300, which is divided by 3,000, the cost price, into 100%, which is equal to 10%. So Sohan has a gain percent of 10. 10% is Sohan's gain percent. Let's consider another example. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. However, 5 bulbs were fused and had to be thrown away. The remaining was sold at rupees 12 each. Find the gain or loss percent. So the total number of bulbs the shopkeeper bought was 200, out of which 5 were not working, so he had to throw them away. So the amount of money the shopkeeper spent to buy the 200 bulbs were rupees 2000. That is, one bulb cost 10 rupees. Therefore, 200 bulbs cost 200 into 10, that is 2000 rupees, out of which 5 were fused. So, 200 minus 5, only 195 bulbs are good to sell. So, the remaining 195 bulbs were sold at a rate of rupees 12 each. So the selling price of 195 bulbs is 12 each. So the total price of 195 bulbs is 195 into 12, that is nothing but 2340. In this case, the selling price is greater than that of the cost price. The cost price of 200 bulbs is 2000. The selling price of 195 bulbs is 2340. Therefore, the selling price is greater than the cost price. Therefore, the shopkeeper has made a profit. Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. 2340 minus 2000, which is equal to 340. The profit or the gain amount is 340. Now we have to find the gain percent, that is gain amount or profit divided by cost price into 100%. 340 divided by the cost price, that is 2000, into 100%, which is equal to 17%. Therefore, the shopkeeper had a gain of 17%. Example 7. Meenu bought 2 fans of rupees 1200 each. She sold one at a loss of 5% and the other at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each and also find out the total profit or loss. Now, there are 2 fans in this case. The overall cost price of each fan is rupees 1200. Meenu bought 2 fans for 1200. So the cost of one fan will be 1200. One is sold at a loss of 5%. That means if the cost price of one fan was 100 rupees, the selling price would be 95. That is 5% of 100 is 5 rupees, which is reduced from the cost because it is a loss of 5%. Therefore, the selling price would be 95. Now we have considered the selling price. If the cost price is 100, we have to find the selling price when the cost price is 1200. Therefore, we find 95 by 100 of 1200. 95 by 100 of 1200 to find the loss amount. 95 by 100 into 1200 is equal to 1140. 1140 is less than 1200. Therefore, it's a loss of 5%. In the second case, the CP is 1200 itself, but the second fan is sold at a profit of 10%. This means that if the cost price of the fan was rupees 100, 10% of rupees 100 was added to the 10%. That is 10% of 100, 10 rupees is added to 100, that is equal to 110 rupees. We have found out the selling price of the fan when the cost price is 100. Now we have to find the selling price when the cost price is 1200 and the profit percent is 10. So 110 by 100 into 1200 is equal to 1320. Now the first case, the selling price was 1140. Second case, it is 1320. Now the total cost price is 1200 plus 1200. Two fans at 1200 each, so 2 into 1200, which is equal to 2400. Total SP is SP in case 1 and SP in case 2. We have to add them both. So total SP is equal to 1140 plus 1320, which is equal to 2460. Now, when you compare, you will be able to see that the SP is greater than the CP. That means the selling price is greater than the cost price. Since the selling price is greater than the cost price, it is a case of profit. The profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price, that is 2460 minus 2400, which is equal to 60. Therefore, the profit here is rupees 60.